Hey Dominic, I heard you're here for some help on bonding. Yes, I need some help before my chemistry test. Well, you came to the right place. Can you tell me what ionic bonds are? Is it the bonding between two nonmetals? No man, it's the bonding between a metal and nonmetal. Then covalent bonding must be between two nonmetals, correct? Do you know what happens during ionic bonding? Ionic bonding is when one element transfers its electrons to another atom. Yes. So it's like one element acts like a burglar and steals an electron to complete its outer shell. On the other hand, covalent bonding is when two atoms share electrons instead of stealing them like kind preschoolers. I also know that the metal is a cation while the nonmetal is an anion. Good job. Then what exactly are periodic trends? Periodic trends such as electronegativity and polarity create different types of bonds. So does the electronegativity and polarity stay the same? Good question, Dominic. Those factors change depending on the level of their energy. Electronegativity could also be thought of as a magnet and the electron as a paper clip. That is, because electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons like a magnet attracts paper clips. Can you give an example of polarity? Sure. Polarity is basically an element's physical properties, such as its boiling point or solubility. For example, NaCl, or table salt, has a high solubility. In other words, it can dissolve if mixed into a different substance. How could you tell if an object like NaCl has ionic or covalent properties? Great question. Ionic compounds have high melting points and they are also great conductors of electricity. Therefore, NaCl is ionic because it has a high solubility and melting point of 1474 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes sense because metals are great conductors and have high boiling points because they're ionic. That also means that covalent compounds are not conductors of electricity and have low boiling points. Also, don't forget that ionic bonds are strong and covalent bonds are weak. You could use relationships, for example. Ionic bonds are stronger because opposites attract, hence the combination of metals and nonmetals. So an ionic bond is as strong as a marriage. On the other hand, covalent bonds are the same type of element instead of opposite elements. So covalent bond is like a high school relationship. It's temporary and weak. Now can you go over everything one more time? I need to take notes. Are you crazy? Good luck on the test though. I got a 100 on my chemistry test thanks to you, Mr. Patel. My services will cost you $20. But I don't have any money, sir. Then I will have to kill you.